Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Today we're out in our garden and we're just kind of taking a look around and we noticed we need to deadhead our primroses. So we're gonna show you how to do that today.
Yeah, we have some beautiful primroses. They're all really starting to pop too. This kind of going into later in the winter. So we want to keep them blooming. Like Sean said, we're gonna deadhead them and get them cleaned up. So we're gonna show you how.
So guys, we're in our backyard here and we wanted to show you there's some primroses that need some deadheading.
Yeah, we've got a lot.
But before we do that, we want to show you, here's some deadheading tools that you can use, some snips, and these are all Corona tools, all awesome tools. Here's their newest classic cuts. They've got the new locking mechanism on them, and they're still super great to use.
Those are awesome.
And then we've got the gel, these are the gel handled adjustable ones that you can adjust on how open or closed, depending on how much of a grip and how much power you want to use. And then we've got the regular classic cuts, and then we've got our micro snips.
Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna get started on this container and then we're gonna walk around the yard and look at the rest of our primroses and see what shape they're in, because I know some of them probably need it. I'm gonna choose the snips because I love these. They're so easy and they have a great grip and they're really light. Plus they're small. I think that's the main thing that I love about them is you can get right in there. So looking at this beautiful container, which by the way, we just had a recent snow blast here in the Pacific Northwest. So everything got covered with snow. So these are bouncing back. They look pretty good actually. Other than, the slugs got some leaves here, but we definitely have some deadheading. And what we're looking for is old withered blooms, kind of browning. You can see there. So that would be a great one to start with. So what Sean and I do usually is we grab the top, find the stem, because these primroses, as you can see, they all grow on their own stem. So what you want to do is get in there and follow it back as far as you can without cutting anything else and just snip it off. So that's one down. So we're going to keep going here, and here's another candidate. So I'm going to follow this down as far as I can without snipping any of the new growth. And there we go. If you guys want to see in here, look at all those new blooms coming in. The little guys there, they're all over in there.
Yep, there's quite a few there.
Which is what we want to see. So we're gonna keep cutting these out so we can encourage new blooms to pop up and have more room to grow.
So guys, now we're out in our front yard and we've got a couple more primroses to take care of and deadhead. You can see we've got some older blooms here. And this one's almost ready to pop off here. So you might have seen Allison take some of these off. If you see an old flower that looks like this is just the old flower without the actual petals. These are the sepals, and this still needs to be removed. So we're gonna get into these and rock and roll on these. I wanted to show you, Allison used the micro snips. I'm going to use our classic cut 3/4 inch hand pruners from Corona. So I prefer these. And so also, if you're just out in your garden and you might not have micro snips, or this is all you have out with you and you don't want to go back to your garage or your shed or anything, grab the other cutting tools that you have, these are fine. These will work great. So let's do this. Like Allison said, get in here, go as far down as you can on that crown without cutting anything else. Just remove those, perfectly fine. And we'll just do these, we'll just keep rocking and rolling, get this done.
Okay, you guys, so that is a wrap for deadheading primroses. Actually, we have a few more to do around the yard.
Yeah, but we hope that was helpful and gave you some good ideas about how you can deadhead your primroses too, and even the tools to use. Go ahead and leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And we'll be back tomorrow with our next garden care video, so come on by and see what we're up to, you guys. And thank you for watching.
Yep. See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.